Welcome back. My name is Patricia Regier. I'm going to share at least 5 new features in Zoom that are newer than my last videos about new features, and I'll link those as well because you need to know about all of these. Now, first of all, it's so new, just like with MS Teams, you can have channels. So you can be chatting in between meetings. You can invite contacts. It gives you a lot of options, and this might be just what you've been looking for. And that applies to whiteboards as well. So you can be working on a collaborative piece before a meeting, after a meeting, continue and have it there as a reference and resource. So chats, Zoom, new whiteboard options. There's a dark mode option. So for some people, it might be an accessibility or a preference, but in the settings, you can change your whole experience in dark mode. And the not joined participants. So if you've sent out an email invite with a calendar and Zoom has been attached to that, you can see who has joined and who hasn't joined as well. And some additional ones, honorable mentions, if you don't know already, breakout rooms, you can share audio. There are some more steps to live streaming to Facebook that are now. You can have an on-screen timer and always turn on the closed captioning. And one more I almost forgot about is that now if you have the latest Zoom and if your computer has the video card capacity, you can activate recognize reactions. So it takes a moment, and I may have talked about this in another episode. Now, my number one new feature that is pretty recent is the guest mode option as well. So when you're using Zoom apps that they don't have to have the account as well, that's going to be a great feature to fast track using these fun games as well. And I'll link when I've explored some of the Zoom apps, any of these topics. If you want full videos about them, let me know in the comments below. And another honorable mention is the focus mode, and I mentioned about that in a recent video too. So definitely check these out, explore. I'm going to show you one more thing here too. So even going into the settings, you can see there are so many more options with even chat, what to see and not see within the meeting itself. So please like, subscribe, comment on if you like this video or what you would like me to expand on, and share it with others. Look around, explore, experiment, and have fun so that you can create engaging learning experiences to turn your audience into participants. Thanks for watching. My name is Patricia Regier.